shop update video. Things are busy, so we gotta move. There's no time to haste. We gotta get all this stuff done. Things were slow in 2017, but now I've got a lot going on. And just want to do a quick overview of some upcoming projects, and even more excitingly, I've got a new bumper crop. This is a test package. I developed a new product, paid for the molds. We're doing a small production run, and these are the first samples that I'm going to experiment with today. And hopefully it worked out. I spent a lot of money on this product, so it's like kind of a big deal. And then I've got all this work to get done at the same time. So I'm doing some copper and zinc countertops. I just did a video of this job estimate. It's inside a restaurant. It's a big renovation, and I'm wrapping a bar countertop with copper, and I'm going to do that work on site, most of it, and that's going to happen in the next couple weeks. And then I have a variety of other countertops made from zinc, and two of which have sinks. And if anybody knows how to solder, just come on over, because I got to learn how. I got these soldering irons. This is a big 300 watt, and I got a smaller 150 watt. But I probably just need the big one. And I got some flux and some lead-free solder and some sample plates. Got the solder from Roto Metals, and I just got the zinc today, shipped FedEx. So this is a 20-foot long roll, and that's a 10-foot roll, quite heavy. So that just showed up, and yeah, there's a lot going on. So these are table legs for end tables. I got one project started, and I did a video for very similar end tables. So I'm building these now, and they're going to have butternut tops. And this is butternut. Nice stuff. Similar to walnut, lighter in color, and not quite nearly as dense, but finishes up good. And then I've got a couple of custom cabinets. This is called a dry sink. It's got file drawers in it. And then this is for, I think, a printer in an office. So those are painted pieces, custom cabinetry, and that's what I got to build. So, whoop. Then I got this thing over here. This is a kind of a unique thing. Customer, local person brought this in, and it's a cutting board that fits over a sink. So, you know, there's a double bowl sink, and you know, this fits around one part of it and kind of locks in place. And so you chop your vegetables and then put it in the disposer. But as you can see, it rotted out pretty bad. And the customer told me this is actually the second time that has happened. So it's been repaired before and rotted out again. So I'm going to rebuild this, and I came up with an idea using my bumpers to engineer it a little bit better so that it doesn't rot out on the bottom, because I guess the issue is they leave it on the sink, and the moisture that's around the sink is not friendly with the wood, and you know, I'm going to make something that works a little bit better. So I got the board started here using red maple, and you can buy your cutting board feet, get a whole salad bowl of them at cuttingboardfeet.com as per usual. And so let's open up these test bumpers. This is the big deal. Ugh, all my money. Okay, so I wasn't really expecting this, but you know, I ordered these in clear, and then they sent me this sample, which is actually not the mold. That maybe it is the mold, but I don't know what they did to modify this. But it's interesting to get a low profile. What do you think of this? That's interesting. That maybe that it's about half as thick as the 3/4. It's about 3/8 of an inch. Low profile. Does that have any use for? I don't know. That's an interesting bumper there. That's a number 7 screw. Actually works pretty good. What do you think of that? So this is the big deal. This is what I ordered. These are my push-in stem bumpers made from silicone. And these are going to be for little jewelry boxes, crafty things, door bumpers. So there's a lot of applications for this product. And I got 3 different types. So I got 2 different heights on the head. And then I've got these little itty bitty teeny tiny ones. And I never even thought they'd be able to make a part that small. But yeah, so let's test these out. So this is the new product right here. So you can recess the bumpers in to get more traction. It gets seated in there a little bit better. You can just recess them in just a little bit. And that's going to make a really nice foot for a small item. And I actually have a project that I've been working on that actually inspired me to make these. I was like, hey, let me just show you. So this is another upcoming video, and you've seen this product. These are the magnet boxes in progress. I haven't drilled the hole yet to make it usable, and this is just after the veneer gets glued on. But it's got 4 magnets in the lid, 4 magnets in the base, and that's a work in progress. But I was thinking, this product would work so much better if I could just have little tiny bumpers. It's only a 2-inch by 2-inch box that can actually work as the foot to give it more stability. It protects the corners from damage, because these corners are fragile. So having little bumpers there is going to help with that, and it'll just make it work better. So that's kind of where I was going with developing this product. So I got it in 2 different sizes. These little tiny, just under 1/4 inch, and this is 3/8 of an inch. And yeah, so I'm excited about this product. I think it's going to work good, and it's going to inspire a whole new era of woodworking applications and more videos, maybe some new push stick designs as well. So that's what I've been up to, making more bumpers. So this was an unexpected bumper that they sent me. Maybe this is another product that they make, I'm not sure. but I'm going to get the extra large bumpers in the clear. And if you think this is a good idea to have a low profile, it's only 3/8 of an inch high, and it works with a flathead screw. So, I don't know, does that make sense? So let me know what you think of these new products, and this is just a test sample, but I will have these, I think, within a few weeks, I'm guessing. I'd say 3 to 4 weeks. And those will be available for sale. So I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited about this product and what it's going to be able to do. I always wanted to get a low profile bumper that wouldn't stick out, and the stick-on ones with the glue, I mean, they just, you've used them before, they don't stay on forever, and you know, it's not going to work for a jewelry box foot. Maybe okay for a cabinet door bumper because they're cheap and you can replace them. But these are going to be better bumpers, more permanent and more versatile. And because they're designed to be recessed into the wood, you can control the height that you want to work with. So if you want to just get barely flush to the surface, you can do that now and still have a very permanent foot. So I think this looks a lot better for a small decorative box like this than using something with a screw. If you want to, you know, maximize the appeal of something, you don't want exposed hardware generally, and this is going to have a more finished appearance. So these are clear silicone. I also got these in black, and the thin ones I got in brown also. So black, clear, and brown, and also some orange ones too. I'm going to do the push sticks with those. So those are going to be the colors. This is the new product. I don't know about this. Let me know what your thoughts are on that, if that's a practical product to do. Anyways, let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and I'll keep you posted. I'll do a shop update video when I have the time, but it's going to be very busy in the next 4 weeks here. Got a lot going on, and by my